sorry for the delay. I was late by 10 minutes for the function. We have to inspect the new building. Okay, so the first thing is when you come for your midterm evaluation, please don't come here. We will not be here. Okay, we will be available in the new building. As of now, it looks like you may find it difficult to enter the department. So you better in advance ask your guides, internal guides, how to enter the department. Okay, we saw that so there are so many staircases, so many entrance points. So you can be in touch with your internal guide how to reach you, ma'am. Okay, you can just answer. Okay. So as a HOD, my interaction with MTech students is very good. I have taught, I think, almost for continuously 4-5 years MTech students, and this is the one batch. Till now, I have not had any problem as a HOD. I didn't have any disciplinary problem, no attendance shortage problem, and first year 100% result. And I hope and I'm confident that the second semester also, first semester 100%, second semester also we will be 100% result. We didn't have any problem. And also I found that these students, compared to the previous batches, they were relatively good. They were interacting. Okay, they had lot of doubts. Okay, first semester, okay, I used to dominate the class because it was like that I knew most of the things. And second semester I took up AI and soft computing, and all of you know what happened. So we found certain things difficult to understand, and there used to be a lot of agreement and disagreement on certain things. And I have told you, okay, that I am expecting, okay, in some work in certain areas, that Shankar Shastri algorithm, I still hope that I will get that algorithm across. Good idea, and I am sure, why I tell you like this is, see, one of student was like you, okay, he came and told me, he is in VMware right now. When he was a student, he had a doubt, so he used to discuss, and I told him you have to keep on working on that. Okay, recently when he came for VMware internship, I think he had come for MTech internship only. Okay, I didn't go there, but he came to my office. His name is CG. Okay, that's all I remember. I don't remember the full name. He came and told me, ma'am, you remember I had a doubt. I didn't leave that doubt. I went on working on that, and today I have filed a patent. Okay, so it's our own student has filed a patent in the US. So I hope that all of you have the capacity. Okay, and you will at least one of you will be able to do it. I believe, okay, in your capacity. I enjoyed MTech classes. Okay, they will not be okay. You as faculty, we know that as far as teaching MTech class is concerned, it will be cool. Okay, we can concentrate more on the subject rather than managing the students. Okay, we can be less of a manager and more of a teacher as far as MTech classroom is concerned. And also, now you will be going to the companies. I think most of you have got internship, and the remaining two are three. I hope that you will also get internship. And one thing that I want you to caution is, I don't want to receive any complaints from the company. See, I didn't have any complaints from any of the teachers, not even teaching assistants. Okay, earlier, okay, we used to have some complaints about the TAs by the teachers. So this time it was totally cool. I didn't have any problem, and I want the same thing even when you go to the corporate. Last year, two students came back crying that they could not complete the work, and the company also gave a very negative opinion of the students. So please don't give scope for that. It's a question of survival, and you have to prove your method. Okay. And now only you should keep in your mind. Okay, I am going to go to my team leader or my project leader that I am working. Okay, and they should ask you, okay, will you please join our company? That should be the way you work. That's all. So I don't want to receive any complaints in the second year also. And I have enjoyed the classroom interaction with each one of you. And one more thing, in the first projected, I think all of it, lot of stress. Okay, I know, okay, how much stress, but ultimately it has resulted in okay, some fruitful okay results. Some students have presented in the conferences. I think in NITK Surat. So I wanted student publications to be there. Okay, I kept on telling in the class, I have a good number of UG publications. So far, there is only one okay PG publication, and you have the capability, but you are not utilizing it. So ultimately, our students, this batch, after so many years, they went to NITK Surat. They presented a conference. I am very happy, and I want this to be known to all the teachers that this batch especially, they are really good and they have the capability. Okay, they can do really good, and the only thing is okay, they have to think in that direction, and your self-esteem you have to boost. I wish all the best. So do well.